Hi guys, shut the shutter. I've seen a nutter. Isn't it time you painted your putter? That's right, it's Restoration Week. So why don't you come into my golf shorts? Going, let's go! Sorry. When it comes to restoring your golf equipment, DIY? Well, I say DIY not. So grab your kit, pull your head cover off, and let's get stuck in. Look at the absolute state of that. Let's turn this 3-whacker into a 1-putt wonder. First, we'll lay down a base layer with some standard model paint and a brush. Next, we'll tape up some areas ready for the spray stage. Remember the age-old saying, fail to prepare and you could end up looking a right cunt. So here we are, spray away your grey day with some multi-purpose outdoor gloss spray paint. Just like Banksy, or should I say Shanksy. Then just simply remove the paint out of the lettering with some sort of tool. So here we are, select your paints and brushes and fill in the lettering. And that's you. You've smashed through your restoration constipation and you've ticked off a job. And there we have it. As long as when you set up you can avoid dribbling all over the gaff, this newfound confidence in your putter should yield positive results and make putting once again feel like an absolute piece of piss. Time to take it to the course. I never did like that hunk of junk anyway. Look, if you want your putter restored in the proper manner, contact my friend Simon Williams from here at Cold Ashby Golf Centre. He'll be sure to rub, polish and take care of your rusty old head. And that's it for this week. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you once again for tuning in and having a peek into my golf short.